Hello, welcome once again. Teosi Ogumbawale here. Wherever you are in the world, just know that you are in the right place, okay? So just take a deep dive with me and take a look at how I'm able to, earn some free money. I call it free money, okay? And then how I'm also able to withdraw it easily at any time I want. Okay, so if you've been on this journey with me on AI marketing, this is good for you. Okay, now on the AI marketing end, many people don't know that we have this big house called the IMB network. Okay, so how you get into the IMB network is that you come here and then just go to your browser and type in imb.network, sign in with exactly the same details that you used to create your AI marketing account, and then you would get in easily. Okay, now here is my own account, and I just wanted to show you something. Okay, now over here on my left, you'd see a whole lot of things. Please feel free to take a look at each one of them because you'll find it very informative and you'll see some money in here. Now, what I just want to concentrate on today is I want to withdraw one. Here we go. I want to show you something. If you come here down and click on assets, you will see this PRTN and you will see NBO. Now, these are bonuses, pure bonuses, guys. That's why I call it free money, because I already earned from my referrals, and somehow the company kind of still wants to compensate you and gives you some bonuses, and I'm like, okay, yeah. Today I'm going to withdraw my first set of bonuses live while you're watching me. So you see the PRTN you see here, each PRTN equals $1. Okay, now this MBO you see here is also another kind of bonus. Okay, there's a whole lot with AI marketing. So here I don't have any MBOs yet. Okay, I haven't earned any yet, but it's also equal to $1. Each MBO, one MBO equals $1. So let me try to withdraw PRTN. Let's go. You just come down and click on send. I've made $142.69 as bonuses, free money. So when you say send, it means you want to withdraw your PRTN, and now you have to put in how much it is, how much you want to withdraw. I'm going to put in 142.69. I don't know if I'm allowed to withdraw the decimals yet. I don't know. But here is already indicating that I need to pay a fee of $3. It's always the same with AI marketing anyway. $3 fee is what you get to pay whenever you want to withdraw. So it's okay, right? Even if I'm withdrawing $1,000, I'm still going to pay this $3. Let's go. So I want to get it in Bitcoin. That I prefer. And I prefer with Bitcoin, but there are other options. You can pick Ethereum if you're very used to it. The Tether runs on ERC20 network, so just make sure you're careful with the other options. But Bitcoin, I mean, it's simple and straightforward, so I always prefer it. Now, I need to put in my Bitcoin wallet address. In order to do that, I have to come to my exchange, okay, where I host all of my crypto. Yours could be Binance, whatever it is. Just come in, sign in. Now if you already set up a 2FA, just get it. I'm just going to look at my phone now and get it out of there. Okay. Great. Enter. Now, once you get into your exchange, your account, your crypto account, once you get in on your exchange, just go right into where exactly you want to get funds into. If you clicked on Bitcoin here, what you need to put in here is a Bitcoin wallet address. Please take note. Don't make mistakes when you are doing that. Okay. This is going to take some time. Okay, we are in. Now, what you just need to do, if you have a Kraken account, I don't know if you do or if you're not. I believe whatever it is that you have, you should be used to it, okay? So now I want to get Bitcoin. So when I come here to click on funding, I have to get my Bitcoin wallet address. So what I need to do is just to come down here. You see Bitcoin here. Now I want to deposit Bitcoin. I'm depositing from my INB.network. So I'm receiving. So I can just click on this and then it will display my deposit address for Bitcoin. Now I'm just going to copy that. Once you copy it, you come to your INB.network back office, you paste it in there. Okay? Just paste it in there. No mistakes, because if you want no mistakes at all, it's always better to use this copy symbol here instead of you manually copying it. Okay? So I copied the right thing, definitely, because this is 392S and it ends with RBQF. That's another way to confirm. 392S, it ends with RBQF, so I'm safe. So what I do next is just to click on transfer, and the withdrawal request has been created and will be executed within 24 hours. Now take note, most times they just say 24 hours, but it gets to me anytime I'm withdrawing from AI marketing. I've withdrawn from the AI marketing back office before, and it usually takes me like 18 hours or less. So this will come in the next, I give it 12 to 18 hours, and then it will be in my Kraken account. So I hope this was useful for you, and do take care of yourself. I see you in the next video. And if you are yet to see what AI marketing is about, I have videos showing what it's about and all that you need to know. Okay, so thank you. Give me a like, subscribe for more details on AI marketing, and then have fun today. Bye.